Hi, I'm Megan Murr for Renee Issip's Toyota of Louisville. Today we want to talk about the Toyota Tundra. For full details on the Tundra, go to toyotaoflouisville.com. The Toyota Tundra is the perfect truck whether you're in need of a work truck or a truck to haul your boat for the weekend. The Tundra is attracting the attention of many car and truck buyers in the Dallas area for its powerful engine and stylish build. The Toyota Tundra has a fresh new look and feel with a 4.6-liter V8 base engine as well as increased fuel efficiency and horsepower. The Tundra is also available with a 5.7-liter V8 engine with up to 381 horsepower. The all-new Tundra at Toyota of Louisville is capable of towing up to 5 tons. With a 22-inch deep truck bed available in standard or long, you'll be everyone's hero while you fit more gear in the bed while hauling the boat. With advances in technology, the all-new Toyota Tundra comes standard with a trailer sway control, making towing safer than ever before. The Tundra is available with a regular, double, and CrewMax cab. The Platinum package includes luxurious features like heated and cooled seats, as well as high-end exterior touches. Reviews are favorable for the Toyota Tundra's smooth, easy maneuverability and roomy cab configuration. But don't take my word for it, come see for yourself. The all-new Toyota Tundra is now available at Renee Issip's Toyota of Louisville, serving the Dallas-Fort Worth area. As one of the highest volume car dealerships in Texas, we have plenty of inventory in stock and ready to choose from, including the all-new Toyota Tundra. If you're interested in the Tundra, come in and test drive one today. View our inventory online at toyotaoflouisville.com and become a fan of Toyota of Louisville on Facebook on all the latest Toyota news and specials.